Okay, we're going to turn our page over, so we're now on page 66. On the previous page, we talked about how many more days, and this time we're going to do how many fewer things. So it says, use the graph to answer the questions, fill in the blank, and write a number sentence to help you solve the problem. All right, so the first one says, how many fewer students chose bananas than apples? So we asked people's favorite fruit. Apples, bananas, and grapes, and the number of students are over here, and again we are using smiley faces. So let's go ahead and count how many are in each group. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 apples. Remember to count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people chose bananas, and 1, 2, 3, 4 people chose grapes. How many fewer students chose bananas than apples? So 5 people chose bananas, and 6 people chose apples. So we're going to do 6 minus 5. So if I draw my line here, I can see that there's 5 and 5 there, and then we have one more apple. 6 minus 5, 6 minus 5 equals 1. So 1 fewer students chose apples than bananas. Or 1 fewer students chose bananas than apples. It was 1 more chose bananas, or apples. Goodness. How many more students chose bananas than grapes? So we have 5 people chose bananas and 4 people chose grapes. So we're going to start with the biggest number. 5 minus 4 equals what? So we have 5 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and again we're equal 1. So if I drew my line here to compare these two, I can see that these are the same, and then one more person fewer chose grapes than bananas. Alright, and then my last one says, how many fewer students chose grapes than apples? So there's 4 people that chose grapes and 6 people that chose apples. So 6 minus 4 equals what? So I'm going to go across, and I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and see that 4 are the same, and then there's 1, 2 that did not choose grapes, that did choose apples. So 6 minus 4 equals 2. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 2 fewer students chose grapes than apples. Some more students answered about their favorite fruits. If the new total number of students who answered is 20, how many more students answered? So we first need to figure out how many total answered the question. So we need to do 6 plus 5 plus 4. Mrs. Johnson's going to do a little trick here. And I know 6 plus 4 is a partner to 10, and that's an easy addition. And so I'm going to do 10, and then I'm going to do 10 plus 5 equals 15. So now I have to figure out how many more students answered. So I could do 15 plus something equals 20, or 20 minus 15 equals what? So I'm going to do 15 plus something equals 20, and I'm going to go 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 5 more students answered the question. All right, make sure your paper looks like mine with my subtraction sentences and all my answers. Great job.